Okay, let's get a close torch mutation of this rod with greener rod. Let's go. Oh, we have first try. Let's go. Something first. This is good. Yeah, I definitely check. Let's get this first. First. I got one. My.
So, for example, we have the Solus
Okay,
Ultimate,
this is
and we also
just
have
stay on there. What the hell?
Ayanas Ultimate. We also have the Sultanate in Cotabato.
Oh,
So, ibig sabihin, iba't ibang klaseng Sultanate, Kingdom, or Empire, iba't iba rin yung leader.
That was
And
clean.
iba't iba rin yung kanilang pamamalakad sa kanilang
Let's go just get this one.
Sultanate. So, yun yung klase ng government na meron yung Mindanao prior to the arrival of the Spaniards. But, kung dumating na yung mga Spanish at American colonizer, so of course, that particular na government system nila is na-disrupt, na-distorgo, kasi tinatry na i-implement ng Spaniards at Americans yung kanilang policy. And sa pag-attempt nila na i-implement yung kanilang policy, so ano ba yung nangyari sa mga Muslims and
Christians natin? So,
sila yung na-marginalize sila
politically.
Kasi nga, yung culture nila is different compared sa mainstream culture ng standards and mga
It's not even here, bruh.
So, because of that,
Let's do it again.
since marginalized sila,
Bruh,
so yung
bruh, this guy is so...
binigay sa mga migrants na dumating dito sa Mindanao. So, if ma-observe din ninyo, di ba Mindanao is also known as the land of promise. So, during sa American occupation,
I need
diba
the
we have
mutation.
the Commonwealth na government,
Bro, can
which
you
is
just give me a exotic?
First president kay si Manuel L. Quezon. So, si Manuel L. Quezon,
Oh my
meron
god,
siyang
this is so
panukala
hard,
wherein
should I do
open
this?
yung Mindanao for migrants from Luzon
Okay,
and Visayas.
now
For
is the
example,
new
dito,
606.
yung mga nag-resign dito sa Chanstan na
Wow,
send na yung
sparkling.
information ng family nila. Most likely,
Or shiny or sparkling?
saying na yung iba is galing sila sa Luzon or sa Visayas.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me
Yung
that.
mga naging product ng migration from Luzon and Visayas during the American occupation.
Oh, we got new sparkling. Okay, we got sparkling. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go.
Yung mga limpa, diba tinatawag natin ancestral
Ikaw,
or ancestral lands. So, ito yung mga bataan
It's a
ng
very
mga
new
indigenous
island though,
groups
does it?
natin dito sa Mindanao.
Give
So,
me
before, nung mga panahon na wala pang migrants, of course, yung mga nagmamayari ng mga lugar na yun, yung mga IPs and mga Muslims. But, nung dumating na yung mga migrants, so yung ginawa ng government is na ilang hektarya yung binigay sa mga migrants. So, yung nangyari,
Yo, bro, stop, bro, stop, bro, stop. Hey, yo, chill, bro, chill. Chill, bro, chill. Can you chill? Chill. Oh, I get you, brother. Yes. Yeah. Bro, this is hard, bro. This is hard, bro. What is different? What is the difference? So, can you please give it to me, bro? Please. Please. That's why. This rod is it, bro. Please just. Oh my god. It is super hard to get this mutation.
Nag-resist, ibig sabihin, nag-go against sila sa government natin. And kung saan nag-demand sila ng self-determination. And because of that, ito yung reason yung iba't
Oh,
ibang
yeah, the
lives
mystical.
dito sa Mindanao. So we have
No
here the
rotation.
Mora
Oh, we
movement
got
and
it. Let's go. Let's go with the
pinakauna at
perfect.
doon na
So,
grupo, we have here the Mora National Liberation
whoa.
Front or the MNLF. So familiar ba kayo sa MNLF?
You look like
Pero sinabi natin MNLF pero may LF. Familiar ba kayo?
Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Usually, ano ba yun?
Okay.
Perception is kanila.
We need more sense. We don't have. La 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 la. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ish.
Kapag sinabi natin
Okay, that's
MNLF,
what's
MILF, so ano ba yung naiisip
Okay.
ninyo?
Okay.
So sige, yung mga nagtiwalag, balikan sa nagtiwalag sila sa
Two more.
government. Ano ba
One
kaya?
more. Yes. Okay. Now we don't have any hura now.
Sa term pa lang na MN at saka
We don't have
MILF.
hura though.
So are you like not afraid, but di ba kayo natatakot kapag nakarinig kayo ng term
Okay, we got it
na
again,
MILF
again.
or MNLF?
Good. Please tell me. Okay, the order. We got again. Please, just a rotation.
We
Please.
also have here independence from Kapor Bangsan
Just one edition.
So that's actually a very
Dude, if I get another different fish, please. Just
sa
once.
ano pala, based on mga balita na narinig
This is why is so crazy?
kapag ba
Hey,
naipabalita
yo.
sa TV or sa
Hey, stop,
radyo,
stop.
nakasangkot din MILF at saka
Chill,
MNLF.
chill.
Ano ba yung basic or pumapasok sa isip ninyo?
Bro, can you chill, bro? Can you chill? Dude, this is okay. Let's don't lock in.
Massacre mo.
One more. One more.
Massacre. So,
Yes.
merong display lang na
Uh,
violence.
I already have it, guys. Though.
Itong mga grupo na
I
ito,
already have it. Yeah, look like this.
So, iba-iba siya ha sa
This look like this, though. It's good.
So, yung NPA
Why is this red?
iba sila sa MNLF
The other
at
tells
saka
them it's gone.
MILF.
And we have this instead. I just use this rock. I use that.
Or iba-iba
I use
or
dreamer rod to get this like that first try. And this was super big first one. Oh, it's look like in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.